How to fix Facebook Marketplace not showing up. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook Marketplace if it's not showing up. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here let's start with the step 1. That is to check the menu. So first open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the menu icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now from here, you can simply scroll down and tap on See More. And there you should see Marketplace in that list. And if it's there, you can just tap on it to open and make sure it works. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to add Marketplace to the navigation bar. So if you want quick access to Marketplace, you can pin it to the navigation bar. To do that, just tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now from here, you can simply scroll down and tap on the tab bar. And now here in this section, just tap on Customize the bar option. And here in this section, you can simply find the marketplace, and there you can just tap on the auto option or the pinned option. And now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on pin to move it to the bottom or the navigation bar. And with that, now the marketplace should be visible in your main navigation bar. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to check your account eligibility. So if marketplace still isn't showing, it could be because of your account or region. To do that, simply go back to the menu section, and from here you can simply scroll down and tap on help and support, and from here you can just tap on report a problem, or you can simply tap on support, and here you can simply tap on the search bar and simply type marketplace and simply search for it, and you can simply open who can use the marketplace and check that you meet the requirement to enable the marketplace option or not. If not, then we will move forward to the step 4, that is to verify your age. So if you are an adult but marketplace is still blocked, then you can verify your age. So here you can simply tap on the support section, and here you can simply type verify your age, and with that you can simply follow the instruction to submit a photo and verify your account. And once your age is verified, marketplace should appear. And that's it. That's how you can fix Facebook Marketplace not showing up issues. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.